pong sabihin, aantayin niyo pa po yung kanilang mga kasagutan bago po kayo makapagbibigay ng resulta?
As part of our mandate po, Your Honor, we have to observe due process po.
Pero kinasanayan ko na yung Human Rights, Commission on Human Rights, napatay namin yung NPA. Ngayon, kinahapunan, may statement na kaagad yung Human Rights. Yung namatay, may namatay tayo na isang
namatay po, Your Honor. It's still part of the ongoing investigation po.
Katagal na investigation yan.
Gusto ko lamang pong tanungin, ma'am, kung kanina po sinabi nyo parang hindi pa kayo nag-iimbestiga, kayo po ay nagmamatsyag pa lang. Parang ano pong pinagkaiba nung nagmamatsyag sa nag-iimbestiga?
Right now, Your Honor, pareho na pong ginagawa ng aming opisina sa regional office, yung pagmamatsyag at pag-iimbestiga. Sa pagpamamatsyag po, daily, we monitor them online and field works. Pumupunta po ang ating mga investigador sa area or outside the KOJC compound or inside if we're allowed. Yun po minomonitor namin kung ano yung mga incidents. Like in cases during dispersal, we were there, we were observing, we were monitoring. With respect to the investigation po na trabaho ng human rights, we already started it po. We already sent communication to both sides, the KOJC and the PNP, because as I have said earlier that we need substantial evidence sa lahat ng mga incidents of alleged human rights violations. So we have sent communications to both sides requesting them for statements and affidavits. Kasi yun po ay makakatulong sa aming investigasyon. So we are waiting for their replies po. So that will start actually our investigation to roll ball po.
Bali, ibig niyo pong sabihin, aantayin niyo pa po yung kanilang mga kasagutan bago po kayo makapagbibigay ng resulta?
As part of our mandate po, Your Honor, we have to observe due process po. So in certain instances, yung mga incidents po, we really have to request their statements and counter affidavits kung meron po. So we already have incidents already listed na merong mga alleged human rights violations like the incidents kanina na mga na-mention from both sides. But we have to get the statements from both sides as ordered po din ng amin ng central office po.
So, bukod po dun sa na-witness nyo na, kailangan po ng statement?
As directed by our central office po, Your Honor.
So gaano po kahaba yung aantayin natin na panahon?
It would really depend din po.
Yung pinakamabilis po, pinakamabilis lang. Para alam lang po natin kasi ako po.
As far as I know po, Your Honor, as soon as they've given us our statements, kasi we have already the directive to expedite na madaliin din talaga ang aming investigasyon. We already have the videos as evidence, as part of the evidence, but we really need the side of both parties din po, just so makompleto namin yung investigation. So as soon po that they would be able to give us their side of their stories dun sa mga allegations, we will expedite po. That is the directive po of our chairperson to expedite the investigation.
Yung pong expedite na yun, mga, ano lang po, bigay lang po kayo ng idea kasi para mga 1 month, ganun.
Your Honor, I can without preempting the ano po our because on our level po sa regional office, we will just have to submit the evidence to our central office. And then yung aming central office po yung gagawa ng decision whatsoever for the finding of human rights violations. So I do not want to maybe in the next hearing if our chairperson will be available. He could,
with the indulgence of Senator Padilla, alam mo ma'am, ako, lumaki ako dito sa Davao, second lieutenant pa ako pag-graduate ko sa PMA. Pero kinasanayan ko na yung Human Rights, Commission on Human Rights. Napatay namin yung NPA. Ngayon, kinahapunan, may statement na kaagad yung Human Rights na yung ginawa ng mga PC, ay hindi makatarungan. Binayulit yung karapatan ng mga hindi pa nga niya sasabihin na NPA, kundi yung mga tao, mga makakaliwa o ano ba yung mga militante, pinatay kaagad. Alam mo, nangyari ito umaga, pagkahapon may statement na kaagad ng human rights. I don't know bakit you're holding your punches as far as this issue is concerned.
Your Honor, naglalabas din po ng statements ang
So what
aming
statement
provision.
have you done
So far,
as far as this issue is concerned?
we have always reminded both sides po, especially the PNP, to observe the maximum tolerance, as well as when they conduct or the implementation of the service of warrant, to observe also that they will be able to...
Yung namatay, yung may namatay tayo na
So
isang
namatay po, Your
namatay.
Honor, it's still part of the ongoing investigation po.
Katagal na investigation yan. Ilang
I will take that into, I will refer it to our central office.
Apo ma'am, kasi para po sa amin, ayaw na po namin mag-escalate pa ito. Kasi kung titingnan niyo po, parehong side, medyo kami po dito sa harap, nararamdaman na po namin talaga yung tension. Sana ma'am, kayo na lang po ang maging referee. Kayo na lang po ang bilang kayo ang nasa human rights, sana po kayo po ang manguna at magsabi sa amin kung paano ba natin ito madi-de-escalate. Kasi hindi po natin ito pwedeng pabayaan na ganito. Kasi nakita niyo naman po may video yung may video yung isa. Pag pinabayaan po natin ito, nakakatakot po ito ma'am. Kung magkasama po tayo kanina, nakita niyo naman po. Para po sa akin, napakahalaga po ng papel po ninyo. Sana po ay kaagad magawa po ninyo.
Yes po, Your Honor. We will take that po in consideration po talaga. At amin pong ipapaabot din po sa aming central office for their guidance din po. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. May tanong lang po ako sa ating mga bayaning kapulisan. Sir, alam niyo po, ako po ay tunay na tagahanga ng kapulisan, lalong-lalo na po kapag we walk the extra mile para ma-serve po ang justice. Ako po dyan talagang tagahanga po ako niyan. Ako po ay naniniwala na kapag ang kapulisan natin nagpatulog-tulog, wala po talagang ma-serve na justice. Meron lang po akong mga mabilis na katanungan lang po. Una po kay General Torre. Sir, para lang po maging malinaw po sa lahat. Bali, sinasabi niyo po na wala pong expiration ang warrant of arrest. Tama po ba?
That's what I believe, sir, and that's what the past president of IBP had already discussed in an extensive interview with an ANC program that I just forgot right now, sir.
Opo. Bali po, sir, yung pong pagsaserve ng warrant po sa loob ng KOJC, wala rin pong expiration yun. Magkasunod, magkapatid po yun. Po.
Yes, sir.
Opo. Bali po, kung wala pong expiration yung warrant of arrest at wala din pong expiration yung pag-serve ng warrant, gaano po katagal po ang iniisip po ninyo, sir, na pag take over po? Hindi ko po alam po ano pong tamang salita, ang legal na salita doon po sa mga bayani nating pulis na nandun. Meron po ba kayong ideal po, sir, na kung gaano katagal? Isang buwan pa po ba? O...
In the last Senate hearing, sir, nang mag-dare si Mr. Katiil na i-welcome niya kami with a red carpet, kung legal ang aming ginagawa. And I think up to this point na talagang legal naman ang ginagawa. Ginang pa nga ng CA kahapon ang kanilang mga kung ano mga TPO na hindi naman namin na hindi naman talaga namin ginawa, sir. I actually told them in the transcript of the last Senate hearing, na-estimate ko lang, sir, sa laki ng problemang ito, na I need maybe 3,000 people to search the area for a month minimum, even without the interference. Kasi, sir, talaga namang, kung ako naman, sir, may ganyang billion, sir, makakagawa talaga ako ng bahay sa ilalim ng lupa. na wala ka problema, pera naman sir ang katapat niyan. Makakagawa talaga tayo sir ng bunker na pwede tayong tumira ng 1 taon sir. And that is among the recurring information that was given to us by our informants. Pero at the end of the day sir, I really don't take joy in this job kasi before ako ma-assign dito sir, commander ako ng isang national support unit. Napaka peaceful ng aking existence and I really can't refuse. And I really cannot go against orders issued against me. So, ito na nga sir ang naging resulta. I want this to be finished as soon as possible. Kaya lang sir, yun nga, every day that passes, naalala ko rin na sinabi ni Senate President Chis Escudero, nakakahiya ng PNP, hindi maare-aresto si Apollo Kibuloy. So, isa rin yun sir sa mga driving forces na kinoconsider namin.
So sir,
Paano matapos ito sir?
sinasabi niyo po sir na 100% na naniniwala po kayong nandun si Pastor.
Up to this point, sir, wala kaming nakikitang ebidensyang contrary na si Apollo Kibuloy wala sa KOJC. Nandiyan sa sir, paikot-ikot, running circles around us with the help of his supporters. So, kailangan talaga namin, sir, ang search that will be done on our way. And with this, sir, after the Senate hearing, I would like to ask the KOJC to cooperate with us. Otherwise, we'll be using again other provisions of the law like arrest will be harder, sir, because walang katapusan ito. So, we'll be harder and we'll be ensuring that everyone who obstructs justice will be arrested. On the first day, actually prepared 500 people, 500 arresting officers to effect the arrest. Buti na lang, sir, binuksan nila ang gate because we are ready to that extent. May mga prison buses na kaming na-ready, sir. May mga arresting officers ako na-ready, investigators. Ang buong Bagani Hall doon, sir, ay naka-ready ang 50 computer para mag-process na, sir. And we have coordinated with the prosecutor's office na ganito karami ang aming inquest sa araw na ito. And nangyari lang yan, sir, the next day. 20 ang aming naresto. In-inquest namin. Kinumpiska namin ang 2 crane na inilagay nila sa gitna ng kalsada, 2 ambulance, at 2 wing van. Sana ang aming mahuli, isa lang nahuli namin, ang isa sir ay kanilang itinakbo. Which is okay lang sir. Pero at the end of the day sir, we really cannot abandon the victims of this crime. Not only because of moral principles, but of course, we really cannot abandon the service of this warrant because this is an order by a judge. And it is legally binding up to this point.
Yes, sir.
Salamat, sir.
Apo.